Hello, I'm Dr. Praveen Gupta, your own neurodoc and chairman of Marengo Asia International Institute of Neuro and Spa. आजकल हम सब चाहते हैं कि हमारा दिमाग तो आइंस्टाइन की तरह चले और हमारी स्किन एक फिल्म स्टार की तरह ग्लो करे. We want to be young, good looking and smart. Do you know brain and skin has a very intricate relationship, and to understand that better we have Dr. Priyanka, our very eminent dermatologist, to reflect with us on mental health and skin. Welcome Dr. Priyanka.
Thank you, sir. Very rightly said. We all consider brain and skin as different entities, but the reality is that these two are always talking to each other.
You would be surprised to know, in the womb, the brain and the skin are derived from the same set of cells. जी, ब्रेन के सेल्स और स्किन के सेल्स एक ही स्टेम सेल से बनते हैं, which means the relationship is very deep rooted, and in our life there are three mechanisms: nerves, hormones and immunity that link your brain to the skin. इसलिए आपके ब्रेन में जैसा चलता है आपकी स्किन पे दिखता है, क्योंकि वो हॉर्मोन्स आपकी स्किन की लुक बदलते हैं, और स्ट्रेस और डिप्रेशन से खराब होने वाली इम्यूनिटी आपकी स्किन के हीलिंग और रिपेयर मैकेनिज्म को अफेक्ट करती है, और नर्व्स आपकी स्किन के ब्लड फ्लो को कंट्रोल करती है. राइट डॉक्टर प्रियंका?
वेरी राइटली सेड. सो कभी पेशेंट्स आके जो ये बोलते हैं कि शादी से जस्ट पहले मुझे एक्ने ब्रेकआउट हो गया है, तो ये मिथ नहीं है. इट्स एक्चुअली बिकॉज ऑफ स्ट्रेस एक्ने का ब्रेकआउट हो जाता है.
Dr. Priyanka is saying spot on, because when you fall in love and the glow that comes to your skin comes from these hormones and these nerves, and when you are sad, your skin starts to sag. That also comes from the stress hormone. They are both intricately linked, and we can make both better together. So Dr. Priyanka, what are these skin conditions that are made worse by stress and how?
So almost all skin conditions are affected by stress. Let it be acne, hair fall, dull skin, urticaria, or which we commonly say hives. Stress induces lack of sleep, problems in the immunity, and because of this there will be dull skin, and poor eating habits can again trigger acne. And there are few skin conditions like vitiligo, जिसको हम बहुत commonly white patches बोलते हैं, वो trigger भी हो सकता है stress से.
Strange. You see, vitiligo we are afraid of. It can be triggered by stress. How does stress impact our skin? जब भी हम chronically stress में होते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी का एक स्ट्रेस रिस्पॉन्स होता है. हमारा ब्रेन और हमारी बॉडी एड्रिनल ग्लैंड्स कॉर्टिसोल सिक्रीट करते हैं. जब कॉर्टिसोल की मात्रा बहुत लंबे समय तक बढ़ी हुई रहती है तो इम्पेयर्ड स्किन हीलिंग, इन्फ्लेमेशन एंड एजिंग ऑफ स्किन बढ़ जाती है. इसलिए क्रॉनिक स्ट्रेस में हमारी स्किन सैग करने लगती है, डल हो जाती है, और हम बोलते हैं बुझी लगती है. डॉक्टर प्रियंका, हाउ डज नॉट सो गुड स्किन affect somebody emotionally?
Honestly, it has a huge impact because it's not an illness inside, and I would not even call skin conditions as illness. They are more of conditions because it's so visible, so person's social life gets impacted very badly, and then they fall into that vicious cycle of depression, anxiety, panic attacks. I've had a lady crying coming in my clinic because she got divorced because of acne. Her husband left her. If the stress is not managed, the condition also does not come down. So stress, that is the vicious cycle which is formed.
Absolutely right. In today's visual photo world, where being good looking, young and smart has become so vitally important to office, to relationships, and how you feel about yourself looking good and having a healthy skin is very important. But like Dr. Priyanka said, to manage those stress related skin problems,
so you need to be hydrated, you need to rest well, you need to exercise well, you need to have a calmer mind. So meditation, yoga is also very important, and a basic skincare routine of a face wash, moisturizer and sunscreen of SPF 30 and above is good enough.
सुनने में तो अच्छा लगता है, मुझे लगता है मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. But dear friends, stay healthy, stay happy, look after yourself. Till next time.